Hey everyone, welcome to an episode of Flash Mobs. I wanted to talk about what I feel like is an underrated feature in LinkedIn ads is your audiences and audience insights. So let's explore it. Under plan, there's a tab for audiences. You can click there and you see all the audiences that you have in your ad account. You have matched audiences, which might be custom audiences, and then you have saved audiences, which come from people you have saved. And then one interesting angle here is that you can actually go in there and understand who these people are and what they do. So when I click into an audience insight for the SaaStr audience that we built for 42, you get a breakdown of what kind of functions they have, years of experience. And then if you have any custom audiences, it can show in here. But what's interesting is that you can also look at what are they interested in. So if you want to reach more people like them, you can use some of these interests and product interest categories on LinkedIn to reach more people like this. You have the breakdown of functions and demographics. So what skills do they have? What kind of job titles do they have? And also, interestingly enough, it gives you a breakdown of the companies and what percentage of the audience is actually from that company. So how can I use this? I can use this to understand who these people are, what kind of companies they work in, what kind of industries, and I can use that to refine my audience. I can create net new audiences based on this. So I can see that if I have a customer, if I have an audience of like high performing audience of certain people, I can take some insights from here and build out broader prospecting audiences that might be based on this. And then the other thing that is pretty interesting is when you go into your custom audiences, you can actually do the same thing and look at what companies they're from. So this is our remarketing audience for 42. And we can see that people from 42 agency was on the website, but VMware is 5%. I can see what interests they have. So then I can go in and expand this audience more. I can see who they are, where they work. And then the summary obviously shows me all these things.